Hi and welcome back. In this video we are going to implement channels in our code so that we can resolve the issues that we've noticed in the previous videos. So to create a channel in our code, it's similar to creating any other variable. So in our main function here, I will create a channel variable and we'll just call it C for channel. And so I write C semicolon equals, and then we use the make function, and we want a channel, so we write chan, and what kind of data do we want to be sent through this channel, and we are going to use strings. So this is how you declare a channel variable. The variable name, then we use the built-in make function, which will make us a variable of whatever we request here, and we want a channel variable, so we write chan, and then the type of channel we want is a string. Now, so we just treat this channel C like any other variable in Go, and we want our checklink function to use this channel. So in our checklink function, we're going to have to add a channel argument here. So we're going to pass our channel variable C here. And since we did that, now we need to update our function signature here to accept this parameter. So we write chan, we'll just call it C, chan, and it's a string type. So we updated our function checklink here to take two parameters now, a string and a string type channel, or a channel that sends and receives string data. So now we can pass our channel variable here into the checklink function. So now how do we use channels to communicate between routines, as in the main routine and the children go routines? So I have a simple picture here. So this image shows how setting data with channels works. So let's assume our channel variable is called channel. And if you want to send the value of 5 into this channel, assuming this channel takes integers, you write the channel variable name and then arrows pointing towards it and whatever the integer value is. And if you want to take whatever that was sent to the channel and assign it to a different variable, it's similar, except on the left we now have the variable that the channel will be sending the data to, and on the right we have the channel. So the first one is sends the value of 5 into this channel, and the second one waits for a value to be sent into the channel. When we get a value, such as this 5, we assign the value to the myNumber variable. And another example of this is we could wait for a value to be sent into the channel, and then when we get it, we can pass that into the printline function. And what happens here is, as it says, wait for a value to be sent to the channel, and when we get one, log it out immediately. So this is what we're going to be kind of using right here. So going back to our code here, after the for loop, we don't want the main routine to terminate right away. So what we want to do is make it wait for the channel to get some data, a string in our case, since our channel is a string type, and then print out whatever we get in our channel. So we would do fmt.println, and as in that picture I showed you, it would be arrow towards the left and then the channel variable on the right. Okay, so now in our checklink function, let's also put some channels channel calls here, because remember we're taking the channel as a parameter in our function here, so we can use it. So under here, we can send the string data might be down into our channel C here if we get an error here. And if there is no error, then we can send the string of it is up to our channel. So if there is an error, then our channel will be getting this string value, might be down, and then that value will be sent to the channel. So then in our main Go routine, this channel will get this string and it will be printed. And a similar case with if the link is working. So what happens now is if we run this, which we will, the main Go routine does not terminate right away after it executes all of its code because it needs to wait for the channel to receive something. In this case, either might be down or it is up. Now there's going to be another issue, which we will see, but this does help us fix it somewhat and leads us closer to the ultimate solution, or not the ultimate solution, but a solution for what we want to do. So I'm going to save this and then we will run it to see what happens. So let me make sure I go into the correct directory. This file is called, okay, so go run main.go. Alright, let's see what happens here. And as you can see, it says HTTP Stack Overflow is up, which is this line here from the checklink function call. So the first printout is from this. And then the second printout is what was in our channel. That gets printed on this line here. So, but as you can see, our program terminates or ends once we get a single result back. In our case, stackoverflow.com was the first to send a response back to the channel, and then since this code is now executed, the main flow routine ends, so all further child routines also end. So as you can see, the problem is that we only get one result, and once we get one result into our channel for our main Go routine to print, program ends. So in the next video, we are going to continue further with channels and try to resolve this issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.